$172,000 a year to get a drug your life depends on. Researchers say that Orkambi is too expensive, priced at 4 times its value.
It's made for people with cystic fibrosis, and it's one of the first drugs to treat the underlying cause of the genetic disorder rather than only treating the symptoms.
One Central Texas woman told KXAN's Eugene Cho she can no longer afford this drug, and losing it may mean losing her own life.
I want to see his kids graduate. I want to see them get married and have babies.
But 2 weeks ago,
my lung functions deteriorated by 26%.
Laura Mosher feared that wasn't going to be possible.
When I was diagnosed in 1979, the average life expectancy was about 14.
Since then,
my family alone has raised $750,000 in order for these drugs to be developed, and now here I am. The drug has been it's been priced out of my reach.
Orkambi breaks down mucus that builds up in the lungs. It's one of about a dozen medicines Mosher needs, but she recently lost a grant that helped pay for the $15,000 copay.
We're not asking for a handout. We're willing to pay fair market price for the drugs, but I mean, 70 grand a year for copays and things like that, hardly anybody can afford that.
8 months without Orkambi, Mosher ended up with a lung infection. She now has to take antibiotics every 6 hours. She told us the average life expectancy for cystic fibrosis is now 40. Her 40th is coming up in a few months.
Now here I am. I've made it this far, and to watch my lung functions deplete so rapidly because I'm unable to obtain this drug, it's maddening. It's absolutely maddening.
Eugene Cho, KXAN News.
Laura told us that she reached out to Orkambi's manufacturer, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, to see if the price could be lowered or if the company can help out in any other way. She said she has not received the medicine she needs. Vertex told us in a statement they cannot discuss individual patients' cases, but they did say they do have a number of financial assistance programs in place. More than 10 million Americans are carriers of the faulty CF gene. Many have no idea they have it. While the disease affects both men and women of all races and ethnicities, CF is most common among those with Caucasian and Northern European ancestry. The standard is for CF patients to have checkups every 3 months. That's in addition to daily care to help clear out the lungs.
In July, Central Texas Congressman Lloyd Doggett helped unveil new legislation aimed at lowering prescription drug prices. It's called the Medicare Negotiation and Competitive Licensing Act. Doggett says it would hold the big drug companies more accountable by allowing Medicare to negotiate the price of prescription drugs. If those negotiations failed, it could pave the way to license generic drugs and increase competition in order to bring the price down.
These drugs don't do any good if people can't afford them. And I think in the case of this particular drug, it's a great example of price gouging of people like Laura. It's a matter of life and death for them.
Conservatives say government price controls would do more harm than good.
You would destroy the incentives for biotech companies and pharmaceutical companies to invest. I mean, the whole biotech sector would just go away.
Democrats say as long as prices keep rising, they'll keep putting pressure on the White House to do something.